Leetcode daily challenge. It is a hard problem today. 1526. Minimum number of increments on subarrays to form a target array. First of all, we want to go through all elements in this array. While along going through all elements for any given number, we want to update the result with the number of increment until we reach to the end of the array. Second, we can see this array with a pattern. It is always a pattern of something like this. It is a combination of some up and downs. If we can set two pointers here and here, say a low and a high. If we start from low as 0 with this example 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. For the number 3, it will be 3 minus 0, which is 3 times. The next thing we can notice that all the numbers before number 3 along this path, we can just skip it, because while increasing a number to the target of 3, we can have number 1 and 2 at the same time. Same for this number 2 and number 1. So we don't have to do anything. If we can repeat this pattern again and again, we can cover all the subarrays or small hills. So we can get the total number of increments. All we have to be careful is we can use another flag, say going up, and identify if we have reached the peak of the small hills. But that will be the approach we're gonna solve this hard problem.